Welcome student to the maths class for class 10th chapter 9.1 height and distance. In previous lecture we have seen solutions from question 1 to question 6 as a part 1. In part 2 we will solve question from 7th onward. Question 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Draw a triangle like ABCD. This BC is the height of building, AB is the height of transmission tower. Join the B at point D and A at point D. The angle of elevation of top of the transmission tower is 60 degree and angle of elevation of top of the building is 45 degree. Now, in right angle triangle BCD, tan 45 is equal to BC upon CD. So, tan 45 is 1 and BC is 20. So, 1 is equal to BC upon CD. So, on transformation, CD is equal to 20 upon 1, that is CD is equal to 20 meters. Now, in right angle triangle ACD, tan 60 is AC upon CD. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AC upon 20. So AC is equal to 20 into root 3. 20 into root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.732. No, we will go ahead from here. AC is equal to 20 into root 3. Now AB is equal to AC minus BC. Put the value of AC 20 root 3. BC is 20. So AB is 20. Take common 20. You get root in bracket root 3 minus 1. So answer is the height of tower is height of tower पूछा but heighting is 20 into root 3 minus 1. Now question number 8. A statue 1.5 meter tall stand on the top of the pedestal. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60 degree and from the same point the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Assume height of the pedestal is h. Now from point C, the angle of elevation of statue is 60 degree and that of pedestal is 45 degree. So in triangle ACB, tan 60 is equal to CA upon AB. Tan 60 root 3. Root 3 is equal to this CA is h plus 1.6, that is height of the pedestal and height of the statue. So 1.6 plus h upon x. So x is equal to 1.6 plus h upon root 3. Now in second triangle ABD, tan 45 is equal to AD upon AB. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to h upon x. So on cross multiplication x is equal to h. This is equation 2. Now put the value of h in the equation 1. H is equal to 1.5 ये वाला है क्या h in place of x, so h is equal to 1.56 plus h upon root 3. We can write this h is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 plus h upon root 3. Transferring the site of h upon root 3, you catch h minus h upon root 3 is equal to 16 upon root 3. Take h as a common, 1.6. Now take h common, you get 1 minus 1 upon root 3 is equal to 1.6 upon root 3. Take root 3 as a LCM, you get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 is equal to h. So h is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. You get h, root 3 get cancelled from root 3. H, we get h is equal to 1.5 upon root 3 minus 1. On rationalizing, multiplied in a numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. We get 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 and 3 minus 1. So you get 3 minus 1, 2. You cross 2 plus 0.8. We get h is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. So height of the pedestal is root 3, a pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Question 9. Angle of elevation of top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. We will make a diagram. This CD is the tower with height of 50 meter and this DB is the building. Assume this height is h. The top of the tower angle of elevation is degree and from foot of the tower angle of elevation of building is 30 degree. So this is the diagram. We have to find the height of the building. Now in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to AC upon AB. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3, AC is 50, 50 by AB. So AB is equal to 50 by root 3. Now in right angle triangle ADB, tan 30 is DB upon AB. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So H upon AB. Root 3 is equal to H upon AB. H is equal to AB into 1 by root 3. Now we have here in equation 1 AB is equal to 50 upon root 3. Put the value. H is equal to 50 root 3 into 1 upon root 3. This comes 15 by root 3, 50 by 3, which is 16 2 by 3. So height of the building is 60 2 by 3 meter. Now question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on the either side of the road. So this is the road, these are the two poles standing on the opposite side. The width of the road is 80 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole, this is one is 60 degree, other is 30 degree. We have to find the height of the pole and the point where the and the pole and the distance of the point from the angle of elevation as measured. Point O, let us assume point O is the point between the road from where angle of elevation are given. So this is 60 degree, this is 30 degree. Now let us assume that road is 6. This distance between A and this O is x. So the distance between other will be 80 minus x. Now in triangle AOB, tan 60 is equal to h upon x. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to h upon x1. So you can write x1 is equal to h upon root 3. In second triangle COD, tan 30 is equal to h upon h2. This h2 is 80 minus x1, and now tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equal to h upon 80 minus x1. And putting the value of x1 from equation 1, we get 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equal to 80 minus h upon root 3. On cross multiplication, we get 80 minus h upon root 3 is equal to root 3h. We transfer this root 3 to this side, we get root 3 upon h is equal to h upon root 3 is equal to 80. Take the LCM, root 3, it becomes root 3 into h plus h is equal to 80. So this becomes 3h plus h upon root 3 is equal to 80. So we get 4h is equal to, on cross multiplication, 4h is equal to 80 into root 3. So h is equal to 80 upon 4. Cross multiplication, divide 80 by 4, you get 20 root 3. So, and putting the value of h in the equation 1, we get h1 is equal to 20 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled, root 3 you get h1 is equal to 20. So x2 is 80 minus 20 is equal to 60. Answer is height of the pole is 20 root 3 and distance is 20 and 60. Distance on the point is 20 and 60. Question number 11. A TV stands vertically on a bank of a canal. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of the canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From the other point 20 meter away from the point on the line joining the point of the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. This CB is the tower, this DB is the canal whose width is x. Now after moving 20 meter away from the other point of the canal, angle of elevation is 30 degree, at this angle is 60 degree. So assume CB as height of the tower and DB is x. Angle of elevation point D is 60 degree. So tan 60 is equal to h upon x. H is equal to tan 60 into x. Tan 60 into x. H is equal to root 3 into x. Now from other right angle triangle ABC, tan 30 is equal to CB upon AB. Then 30 is 1 upon root 3. It becomes h upon 20 plus x. 20 plus x is equal to root 3h. Putting the value of h from equation 1, you get b plus x is equal to root 3 into h. X. This root 3 become 3x. So 20 plus x is equal to 3x. Transfer this x to this side. You get 20. 3 minus x is equal to 20. 2x is equal to 20. X is equal to 10 meter. This x is the width of the canal. And putting the value of x in the first equation, we get h is equal to 3 root 10. So answer is height of the tower is 10 into root 3 meter and width of the canal 10 meter. Now question number 12. From the top of the 7 meter high building, this is the 7 meter height building. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower. This is the cable tower, CD is cable tower. The angle of elevation from the top of the building is 60 degrees. And angle of elevation of angle of depression of bottom of tower is 45 degrees. So this is the angle of depression. This becomes alternate cone, so this becomes 45. Now angle of elevation DA is 60 degree, angle of depression is 45 degree. Now in the triangle AED, tan 60 is equal to DE upon AE. Assume AE as x, DE as h1. We get root 3 is equal to h1 upon x. So x is equal to h1 upon root 3. Now in triangle ACB, this angle is 45. So tan 45 is equal to AB upon BC. So tan 45 is 1. This AB is 7 meter given. So 7 upon x. So x is equal to 7. Put the value of x in the first equation. We get 7 is equal to h1 upon root 3. So h1 is equal to root 3 into 7. Then height of the tower is DE plus C. So D is root 3 plus 7 and EC is the height of the building, so which is 7. So DC becomes 7, take 7 common, root 3 plus 1. So height of the tower DC is 1 meter. Question number 13. Observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse. This is the lighthouse AD. From this height, the angle of depression of two ships is 30 degree and 45 degree. This one ship is 30 degree, other ship is, this angle of depression are this. This is of depression 30 degree. This is the angle of depression 45 degree. So this here this angle become 30, this angle become 45 being alternate angle. Now we have to find the distance between the two ships. Let us assume the distance of the first ship from the base of tower is x1 and distance between the two ships x2. This distance is x2. Now right angle triangle ABD, tan 45 is AD upon AB. Tan 45 is 1 upon AD is the lighthouse which is 75 meter, 75 upon x1. So x1 becomes 75. Now in second right angle triangle ACD, 1030 is AD upon AC. 1030 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 75 upon x1 plus x2. On solving you get, cross multiplication you get x1 plus x2 is equal to 75 into root 3. Now we will put the value of x1 from equation 1, which is 75. So 75 plus x2 is equal to 75 root 3. x2 is 75 root 3 minus 75. Take common 75, you get x2 is equal to root 3 minus 1. So x2 is equal to root 3, 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. So distance between the two ships is equal to x2 is equal to 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. Question 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl this is the height of the girl. So one might a tall 1.2 meter tall girl, this is the girl, spot a balloon moving with the wind in horizontal direction. This is the balloon moving in horizontal direction at this side. At the height of 88.2 meters. This is the height of the balloon from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. At the first instant, angle of elevation is 60 degree. At the second instant, angle of elevation is 60 degree. We have to find the distance traveled by the balloon, EC. So this is the diagram. EC is the distance traveled. EC is the distance traveled by the balloon. Now we have made two right angle triangle. This is the first angle of elevation, the second of elevation. Join this with the ground. You get triangle ABC. BC is the height of the balloon. BC is the height of the balloon minus the height of the girl. The BC is equal to 82.2 minus 1.2 is equal to 87 meter. Now in triangle ABC, 1060 is equal to BC upon AB. So BC upon AB. This 1060 is root 3. So AB is equal to 87 upon root 3. Now in another triangle ADO, ten thirty is DE upon AD. 1030 is 1 upon root 3. This D is 87, which we have worked out here, upon AD. So AD is equal to root 3 into 87. This is the AD. Now the distance travelled by balloon is BD. So we can find AD minus AB. So AD is AB plus BD. So AD is equal to 80. Here from this equation we have AD is equal to 83 into root 3. AB is 87 by root 3. BD you have to find out. So you get BD minus, this is 87 by root 3 is equal to 87 by root 3. So BD here we get from this is equation 87 by root 3 is equal to 87 upon root 3 plus BD. So BD is equal to 87 into root 3 minus 87 by root 3. take root 3 as LCM, you get root 3 into root 3 into 87 minus 87. This becomes 3 into 87 minus 87. Take 87 common, you get 3 minus 1. This becomes 2 into 87 by root 3. And rationalization, multiply root 3 by root 3, you get 87. 2 into 87 into root 3 by 3. You divide 3 by 87, you get 29. So multiply 29 by 2, it becomes 58 into root 3. So BD, the distance traveled by the balloon, is BD. So this distance traveled by the balloon is 58 upon answer. Distance traveled by the balloon is 58 into root 3 meter. 10. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. This is the highway and this is the tower. This is the foot of the tower. A man is standing at the top of the tower D. Observe a car at an angle of depression. This angle of depression at first instance is angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching to the foot of the tower. So at the first instant, angle of depression is 60 degree. As the car moves, after some time, angle of depression becomes 60 degree. The time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. We have to find the time he takes from traveling from point C to B. Now in right angle triangle, the diagram becomes like this. This is the height of the tower, this is first angle of depression, this is angle of depression, join this with the D, and this diagram is there. So in right angle triangle CBD, tan 60 is equal to H upon, say T, assume this is time taken T into X, this time you multiply Tx speed, you get the distance. So we have multiplied T with X, this is time with distance, X is the distance. So this is 6x, this AC becomes 6x or CB becomes 6x. This time multiplied by the speed. X is the speed and T is the time. So here H upon Tx is 1060 value is root 3. Root 3 into is equal to H upon Tx. H is equal to root 3 into Tx. Now in second triangle ABD, tan 60 is equal to H upon 6x plus Tx. This root 3 is 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. This is H upon 6 plus Tx. Then we get H is equal to 6x plus T upon root 3. We will put the value of H from equation 1. We get H is equal to 3x from here. So in this equation you get H is equal to, we have from equation 1 H is equal to root 3 into Tx. Here we will put the value of H. So root 3 into root 3 into Tx becomes 6x plus Tx. 3 into root 3 into root 3 becomes 3Tx minus tx is equal to 2x, 6x. 3x minus tx is equal to 2x. 2tx is equal to 6x. T is equal to 6x upon 2x. So t is equal to 3 seconds. The answer is 3 seconds. A time taken by the car to reach from point C to point B. Number 16. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the pole of the tower and in the same straight line with it complementary, prove that the height of the tower is 60 degrees. Now complementary angle means some angle is 90 degree. So if one angle is theta, the other angle will be 90 minus theta. So we have assumed this angle is theta, other angle is 90 minus theta. This is the angle of elevation. So in right angle, DBC, tan theta is equal to height upon base h upon 4. And now angle ABC, tan 90 minus theta is equal to h upon 9. You know tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot theta is equal to h upon 9. Now multiply equation 1 with equation number 2. You get h upon 4 into h upon 9 is equal to tan theta into cot theta. Here you get h square upon 36 is equal to 1. Cot theta and tan theta is 1. So h square is equal to 36. H is equal to root of 36. So h is equal to 6 meter, which is given in the question. So hence proved.